Good morning everyone. I am your Mamta ma'am. Wishing you a day full of sunny smile and good thoughts. In your previous numeracy session, you have learned backward numbers and today's topic is related to it. Can you guess children? Yes, before numbers. We will take numbers from 1 to 50 only. Children, do you know what is the meaning of before number? When we count backward from a given number, it is called before number. Before means previous, uske pehle. Now first, I am going to brief you the meaning of before through an activity. And then we will practice before numbers orally and write them in the notebook. So let's start. Children, I have placed some objects over here. See, this is a cup, toy car, spoon, ball, key, wristwatch and a book. Now tell me children, what is before a ball? Ball के पहले क्या है? Yes, spoon. Now, what is before a book? Yes, wristwatch. Now tell me, what is before a toy car? Toy car के पहले cup. Very good. Now tell me, what is before a key? Key के पहले ball. Now I have kept some flashcards of these objects. You have to keep the flashcard of this object which is before it. This is a wristwatch. Now look here children. What is before wristwatch? Key. So we will place key over here. Now look here. This is a toy car. Now here toy car is here. What is before the toy car? Cup. So we are going to place a cup. What is this? Ball. Now look here. What is before ball? Spoon. So we are going to place here spoon. What is this? Key. Now what is before the key? Ball. So I am going to place it here. Ball. This is a book. And what is before a book? Wristwatch. So I am placing the wristwatch over here. What is this? Spoon. And what is before a spoon? Toy car. So I am placing a toy car over here. Oh, look here, a toy train. Can you see? There are two bogies, but a number 14 is written on one bogie. The previous one has no number. So which number will come before 14? Yes, 13. Again this toy train came back by taking one round. But can you see? The number has changed. It's 23. So what will come before 23? Yes, 22. Now again see which number is written over here? 5. And what comes before 5? Yes, it's 4. Which number is this? 17. And what will come before 17? 16. Very good. Which number is this? 50. And what comes before 50? 49. Now, which number is this? 9. And what comes before 9? 8. Which number is this? 36. And what comes before 36? 35. Which number is this? 42. And what comes before 42? 41. Very good. Clap for yourself. So children, now we are going to write before numbers. So first we will write the date. Today's date is 1919 dot 10 dot 2020. Now on the top write down capital B E F O R E. Before, leave one finger space and write down N U M B E R S. Before numbers. Now first put two dots. Below these two dots, make a dash on two boxes. Then put a small dot and write down number 1, 9, 19. Now children, as you know, we are writing before numbers, so the dash will come first. Now again put two dots, dash on two boxes, dot, and now we are going to write a single number. So one more dot and write down number 6. Again put two dots, dash on two box, dot, 2, 9, 29. Again two dots, dash on two boxes, dot, 4, 3, 43. Now again put two dots, dash on two boxes, again a small dot and write down 3, 2, 32. Again two dots below the dash, make a dash on two boxes, dot, 2, 5, 25. Again put two dots, dash on two boxes, again a small dot, and now again we are going to write single number. So put one more dot and write down 8. Again below the dash, put 2 dots. Dash on 2 boxes. Dot 3 0 30. Now tell me children, what comes before 1 9 19? Yes, 1 8 18. Now next number is 6. So what comes before 6? 5, and 5 is a single digit. So we will leave one box and we will write 5 over here. Next number is 2 9 29. So what comes before 29? Yes, 2 8 28. Next is 4 3 43. So what comes before 43? Yes, 4 2 42. 3 2 32. So what comes before 3 2 32? Yes, 3 1 31. 2 5 25. What comes before 25? Yes, 2 4 24. Now this is a single number 8. And what comes before 8? 7. And 7 is also a single number. So first we will put a dot and then we will write 7. Last number 30 30. What comes before 30? Yes, 2 9 29. Have a wonderful day. Bye.